So for DPA today, we're going to be active in the classroom with our complete player mission. Our lesson learning goal is participating actively. So what does it mean to be active when we're here in the classroom? So I want you to turn to your partner, have a 1-minute interview on what it's like to be active when we're in the classroom. So turn to your partner now. So to get us warmed up today, we're going to play a game called Fancy Footwork with the High Five. Students begin to move slowly, slow shuffle, about the activity area. After 20 seconds, the teacher calls out substitution, and the students stop, find a partner, and perform 5 high fives. After 5 high fives, students resume moving around, increasing speed as they move from a shuffle to a grapevine to flutter kicks, and finally to quick feet after each substitution. On the teacher's signal, students freeze and self-assess their level of active participation using thumbs up, thumbs middle, or thumbs down. Where movement is to be around desks and chairs, check that all chairs are pushed into the desks or move chairs to the perimeter of the room. Check that pathways around desks can safely accommodate student movement. Remind students to be cautious when moving and to be aware of the personal space of others. For the next part of our lesson, we're going to complete the complete player mission. So in your groups, in your table groups, you're going to work together to complete your mission sheet. Everyone together is going to do the activity at the same time to the best of your ability, but you can as a team decide which order you want to complete the mission in. So once you get your card, the first thing I want you to do is read over the missions. We're going to talk about them together. We're going to talk about safety. And then on my signal, you as a team are going to work your way through completing each of the missions on the complete mission sheet. Throughout the activity, be sure to refer students to success criteria for active participation. Check that each activity is spread out to minimize interference from other activities. Divide students into groups of 4 to 6 and give each group the complete player mission sheet. Groups must perform each mission task as a group, and each group member must perform each mission task to the best of their ability. Inform the groups that they may work on the mission tasks in any order they choose. For a demonstration of the mission activities, see the video on the curriculum page of the MLSE Shape Up website. Let's cool down by playing Seeing Yellow and Red. Students move about the activity area using a variety of decreasing locomotor actions: hopping, leaping, shuffling, jogging, and finally walking. While moving about, students pass around a yellow card and a red card. Each card has on it a series of stretches that can be used to cool down the class. After 20 seconds, the teacher calls out either red card or yellow card. The student who possesses that card leads the class in one of the stretches written on the card or chooses to use a stretch of their choice. After a 15-second stretch, the teacher calls resume play, and the students once again move about the activity area, but at a slightly slower pace while continuing to pass around the red and yellow cards. After 20 seconds, the teacher again calls either red card or yellow card, and the student with the card leads the class in a stretch. Continue until the class is cooled down, at which time the teacher calls out game over. Students return to their seats and reflect on their level of active participation. Students give themselves a thumbs up or thumbs down self-assessment to demonstrate their level of participation.